Welcome back to Weems Motor Co. The people have spoken and we have heard you. This motorcycle, today we are gonna ride it until it runs out of gas. We're gonna see how much gas mileage this 1951 Triumph Chopper gets. Stick around. All right, let's see if this 1951 Triumph Thunderbird Hollywood Run David Mann chopper is going to fire up on the first kick. What do you think, Jeremiah? How many kicks? We're on camera. We're on. Okay, one for camera. We'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. Let's see. Oh, baby. All right, so here you folks go. You asked for it. You said, how many miles can you make it on a tank of gas on Hollywood Run? Today we're finding that out. I mean, obviously the first thing we need to do is go to the gas station and top the bad boy off so that my buddy Jeremiah back there on my 2008 Bonneville, he's gonna set the trip meter. We're gonna see how many miles this thing actually gets, and he's got an extra gas jug with him, so when we do run out of gas, we can actually get back home. Super excited. This motorcycle has been sitting for far too long without getting ridden, so today we're doing it. We're doing the deal on the chopper, the 51 Triumph Thunderbird Hollywood Run. Let's go get some gas. How many kicks you think? 2? Out of spite. Just one. Just one. This is the final farewell for Hollywood Run. It's time to say goodbye to it. And it's tough to do because this motorcycle has so many rare, old, cool chopper parts on it that, man, just cannot be replaced. I mean, all the parts on the motor, fully custom polished, got custom engraving on the side. We got MCM rocker box caps. We have that last one ever made clay cob side draft intake. Oh man, just so much stuff. You know, these big old 18-inch ape hangers. You know, a lot of people are like, oh man, those things look so high, but really if you look at where I'm at, it's a really comfortable riding position. My elbows nice and bent, hands about eye level. Super cool, man. Got these old upsweep cocktail shapers that make that beautiful chopper sound. Got the extended front end. I think this front end is extended about 6 inches, I believe, if I remember right. Got the 21-inch front wheel with the Firestone tire. Got that 18-inch with that rare 4.5 by 18 tire on the back. This, you know, that period correct chopper look that, you know, everybody kind of shoots for and goes for, and I believe that we nailed it on this, you know, 51 Triumph. Rigid frame, not too uncomfortable actually. It's a real comfortable ride, you know. I haven't really hit any hard bumps yet, so I can't really, you know, say from that aspect, but man, it's gonna be tough to see this one go, but I know that the new owner of this is definitely gonna enjoy it. So we're gonna keep riding this thing. We'll see how many miles we can pull out of it. I think we probably get around maybe 40 miles. I don't know, we'll have to see. Hey guys, you know what's hilarious? Is we're measuring the miles per gallon on this chopper, and guess who runs out of gas? the 2008 Bonneville. So we're just going to pull in here, let him top off really quick, and we'll continue this mission. Yeah.
How many miles on that do you go before you got to...
That's what we're doing on video right now. So you're on YouTube. All right, you can make a bet with us. How many miles do you think I can get out of that tank?
128.
128, man. You're shooting for the stars, dude. I'm thinking like 37, 38 miles. It's only
Like a gallon and a half?
It's only like 3/4 of a gallon. So yeah, it's an old moped tank. So yep. Well, cool, man. Hey, good to meet you, sir.
Likewise.
Yep. Check out my YouTube channel, Weems Motor Co.
Will do.
Yeah, you'll be on the video. All right, man. One kick. Every time, baby. So that's too funny. We ran out of gas on the 2008 Triumph before we ran out of gas on the 51 Triumph. I think it's hilarious. It's good times though. My good buddy Jeremiah with me, always supporting the Weems Motor Co channel. If you guys are interested in how to support our channel, make sure that you head over to the website, buy some merch, tats, t-shirts, stickers, things like that. And also we have Patreon, and something new that I've been talking to my Patreon members is a possibility that we may be going to 2 videos per week. And those guys, I just wanted to say thank you to them because they've supported us since day one. We've been doing this YouTube thing for a little over 2 years, and they have been a part of it so the whole time. So if you are a Patreon, thank you guys for what you do. If you want to support us, head over there, check out the different options. You get all kinds of behind the scenes footage, you get discounts on the store, you get free swag, you get entered into giveaways, all kinds of cool stuff going on. So make sure you check us out there. All right, so I'm just checking in with my good buddy Jeremiah here. Jeremiah, how many miles are we at right now? All right, we're at 15 miles, folks. Rolling down the road, making this thing happen. Let's talk a little bit more about this bike. So I built this bike right after I built Doggone Hot Dog, the first David Mann replica. This bike is actually from David Mann's very first painting titled Hollywood Run. That's why we named the bike Hollywood Run. We featured this bike at several shows across the states. Gosh, it went all the way to Born Free in California. It's went up north. It's went all across the states. It's won awards, been in magazines. Super cool bike. Super proud to have built this bike and super proud to be passing it on to the new owner. Man, it's such a fine time riding on a vintage Triumph around these nice roads of Florida, cruising, laying it around the corners just like this. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, lean into it. It's like a chopper. I just got passed by a car. Jerks. They don't appreciate the awesome motorcycle, the chopper that I'm riding on. They're just in a hurry to get to wherever they're going. They're not enjoying the ride. We are enjoying the ride, people. Alright, so been riding a little bit. We're going to check back in with my buddy Jeremiah if he wants to come on up here beside us. And Jeremiah, how many miles we at? Whoa! Guys, we're sitting at 31 miles. It's getting close. I said this thing will probably get around 37, so we're going to find out here shortly exactly how many miles this thing is going to get. right, guys, we're a little spitting and sputtering. I think we might be there, Jeremiah. I think I'm just gonna pull off to this road right here. Oh gosh, that's all she wrote, folks. That's it for the Triumph. Well, there you have it, folks. We have hit an empty tank. Fuel line's empty. Sitting here on the side of the road. Jeremiah, my friend, what kind of mileage did we end up getting here, buddy? 39. Good grief. Well, the old Triumph with a 3/4 gallon tank has hit 39 miles. We were able to identify it. Finally, after all of this time, Hollywood Run will get 39 miles to the gallon. That's it, folks. All right, let's put some gas in this thing, Jeremiah, and then let's get her back home, buddy. Well, folks, that's gonna about wrap up this video today. Super excited to be handing this bike off to the new owner. But with that, thank you guys for hanging out, watching the video today. If you are new around here, jump down, hit that subscribe button. If you really like the video, hit that thumbs up, turn those notifications on, and let everyone know what's going on right here at Weems Motor Co. Peace.